Okay, so my mobile app was one that I knew the least. I hadn't really done a mobile app before, so it was exciting, fun. I kept it kind of basic. It's really useful for me more than an app that I'm gonna probably develop into something for everybody. But this is my first page right here, and this is my frameworks in my JSON file. And then right here is my server.py, and that's my backend bridge. So later it's going to be more useful. Right now it kind of shows some static, um, phrases that are in here. I'd like to eventually have this page be more useful. Maybe do, show my CPU, GPU, RAM output, for gaming, or just if you wanted to keep track of it on the side, to have an extra screen that does that. So, but for now, it's fairly basic. And then my app.js file here. The main thing is just showing my actual website, savanteducator.com. So I recently got that up on my server and got my server up and running, and I got that connected to my domain. So I wanted to play with that, and eventually I'm actually going to have it upload the document to my actual server. But for now, I set it up to where you can use your camera, take a screenshot, and then you'll be able to upload that document later. So right now I believe it just stays there in local storage. And then we have our main navigation, which I'll show you in just a minute, and then my CSS. So if we'll go ahead and start that. Python server.py, and start my Expo tunnel. So I used Expo so I can run this on my iPhone. And then, so on my iPad, we're going to go to Expo, and then we're going to pull up my app. So this is my website right now, and you can go in and navigate my website, which I thought was kind of fun. And then the second one is that basic, just running scripts. So I might change it to just something different, kind of fun, or I might just make the, split it into its own app later if I want to use the usage statistics for like RAM and that. So, but for now, so the main feature that we have is for my, I think it's all sideways. That's alright, we're going to get the point. So, take a picture. It asks if you want to retake it. And then, I'll be able to upload that later. So, got that up and running. I had a lot of fun kind of figuring things out. It was a little more unknown that I was going into, but so far it's working pretty good. And then I'll just keep upgrading like I have with the other projects.